Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply install Vivaldi browser on your Android phone. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. The next thing you need to do is simply click on search right here and type in Vivaldi browser. Click on that and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. So you can see this browser here is fast and speed. What you need to do is simply click on install. I'm going to simply click on install right here. After successful download and install, next thing you need to do is to click on open. Then click on continue. Then click on maybe later. Get started. Ready to browse or want to customize your choice? Simply click on continue. So right here, if you want to really protect your privacy, make sure you choose block trackers and ads. So click on that. Then click on start browsing. Click on allow. You are ready to browse. It's as simple as that. Then you can simply click on here and then click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then you can explore the internet.